my shows are rather unpredictable. The music that I play is particularly singer-songwriter music. The project started off as a country band that was kind of a little bit of a caricature for like a lot of Americana country folk music that poked fun at things, that I saw, and things that me and some of the musicians that I've played with joke about, or things like that. And then it's just turned into a big singer-songwriter project of mine that I use to write songs about things that have been in my life.